Where you at?
I'm at Costa Rica.
We just got
What?
to the hotel. We're checking in. Wow.
I guess you don't want to have anything sharp in your blade.
No, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hola. Hola. Me gusta español. Grandpa, wave. Grandpa, wave.
I can find my
Wow.
Going outside the resort today, so we'll vlog that, and then tomorrow I think we'll vlog the resort and what we've been doing so far. This is a chocolate. What is this? It's not a croissant.
It's kind of like a croissant.
It tastes like a croissant, but it's like bread.
First,
Chocolate bread.
oh, she got me one too.
We're leaving the resort because we're going on an excursion. We're gonna be zip lining, maybe horseback riding, maybe doing a mud bath thing. So near a volcano. We're gonna show you as much as we can, but I'm not gonna stress about pulling the camera. Except Garrett said he'd deal with it. So can you say hi to them, cameraman?
Hi.
Yeah, so really thankful for Garrett because I don't want to deal with it today. Okay, bye.
Okay.
Wave. That's not where you do that.
Really nice.
Now I know why they took cars. They wanted to say it was varsity.
What is it?
Beet lemon.
Beet lemon.
Which one's your
Stand over here. Sit down. Cross your legs, bend your knees up. Your hand all the way back. Okay. And hold down at the end, okay? 1, 2. Let's go, buddy. Ready, girl? Very good. Look at that happy face.
Hold on, get out of the shot. Oh. It's a video, you know. Say hi.
Gracias.
Made it back. Now what are we doing?
We're gonna eat.
How was the zip lining and the water slide?
It's really fun.
Got chicken. She comes around with it.
Yep.
Okay, so we just had lunch.
Yeah.
And now, sorry, I'm scared to talk. We're going on horses.
Turkey, will turkey, will turkey. Will turkey. Hunter.
Anyway, we are going to take some horses up to the hot springs in the volcano.
Yay.
It's not
Wait,
how
I
the
don't
hot
think we're
springs-
taking the horses to the hot springs.
I'm
I think
pretty
we're
sure
just
that's
taking
what
the
we're doing.
horses.
I think we're taking the horses to the hot springs.
I don't think so. We'll find out.
Okay. Oh, they're right over there.
Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
There you go. Ready?
Got a horse. I got a brown one.
Ooh. Whoa.
Okay, these three are
Whoa.
a little bit of a race.
Yeah.
Middle.
Reach, say hi.
Welcome to my vlog.
Pretty.
Okay, we're gonna go. Wait, Sam in the camera. We're gonna leave the camera because this part's kind of wet.
Yeah.
We're doing like a mud.
A mud thing and a hot spring thing. But we'll report back after.
Okay, peace.
Cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños amable, cumpleaños feliz.
Gracias.
We have a many
Yeah.
people here that. Okay. Just a taste.
Today is Wednesday. Hi warriors. We already had breakfast. We're just going to chill at the pool now. Yeah.
Can you show the pool? How's the water?
It's nice. We were in the ocean, but then it was a high tide, so the waves were pretty sketchy. And I got scared, so there's a lady walking around getting us drinks, so that's fun. This is actually like this is like luxury. This is like luxury travel, it really is. Wow. Thank you, Garrett's grandparents. You want to see how to do snow angels in the water? Do you want to do it with me?
No, I just got a try.
Okay, you go like this, and then you go like this. It's way better than me. What are you drinking?
What is
Miami
it?
Vice.
Miami Vice.
Miami Vice.
Oh, that's strong. Oh boy.
Okay, 2 pina coladas, extra rum.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Gracias. Okay, what are we doing?
Eating lunch. We're at the same place as breakfast.
Say hello, everyone.
Oh no, you just recorded what I was saying.
What did you say?
No, I'm
Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi.
Yeah, totally.
Go.
You want to hear what we're doing now? So we're going back.
Speak up.
I'm tired. We're going back to our room, getting some money for a massage, and then we're grabbing our towels from the pool and then going back to the beach. And I think I'm gonna take another nap on the beach. Do I look good enough? Okay.
Do you want to
hi.
see?
No, I'm okay. I trust you. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh, why do I always get nervous? Okay, we're gonna show you our room. Come on. So this is our front porch. You can sit here, or you can sit here. You can put something here if you want. Okay, we should close this door because Garrett let a lizard in.
I didn't meaningfully.
Anyway, this is our room. Let's start in the kitchen. So we've got a little kitchen area here. We've got a microwave, a toaster, a sink, a coffee machine, another coffee machine, some tea. But we don't use this area because we've been lucky enough to get all-inclusive. So that's been really fun, I'm not gonna lie. And then we've got a fridge that they've stocked with some drinks, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is the bathroom. This is our, I think it's called a vanity, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you go into here, there's a toilet and a shower.
A walk-in shower.
And if you turn around, there's our vents. Pretty cool.
And a TV, which we haven't used, because why would you watch a TV when you're in a place like this? It's really cute. It's like a monkey raccoon.
Yeah.
So this is like the resort, not the resort area, I guess you call it. It's basically like a town, and it's connected by these pathways. And each building has, I think, 8 units in it. And so it's just a big community of these buildings.
Hey, how are you? Good. Kevin, do you want to be in my video?
What?
Do you want to be in my video?
You're recording a video?
Yeah, say hi.
Costa Rica. You're gonna show it to who? Your friends or?
Yeah,
Well, I hope you see you someday here in Costa Rica, okay?
Thank you. Bye. So the entrance to the beach is this way. We should go this way. No, not right now.
No, thank you.
Not right now, thank you.
My name is Gabby. Today I promise remember Julie, my friend.
Hold on.
My name is Eric Garcia, guys.
Okay, thank you.
As soon as you enter the beach, all these women come up to you asking you if you want a massage. There's so many women that want you to get a massage at their place, so they all just, literally like as we came down to this spot, like 10 women came up to us asking it. Like when we first came here, it was kind of like overwhelming and you feel bad because, I don't know, some of them seem really desperate. But then as you're here for a while, you realize that it's fine to just say no. But yeah, we're at the beach now. Look around. They're so cute. Hey Gare, can you tell us where we are?
No, we're in a town somewhere. We walked.
It's called Brasalito.
Brasalito.
Yeah, it's just like a 10-minute or so walk from the resort we're staying at. But we lost Garrett's mom, so.
So we just got a massage. Was it good?
Yeah, at the tables back there.
Can I zoom in? Let's see. Uh-oh, I don't know how to do this.
Job.
I'm at there. Over there.
Okay.
Uh-oh, I'm zooming in instead of out. It was good. $20 US for 1 hour, which is pretty good.